Welcome to our channel where we aim to demystify autism spectrum disorder and help you understand the spectrum. Autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, is a neurodevelopmental condition that affects how a person perceives and interacts with the world around them. It is called a spectrum disorder because it manifests differently in each individual. On one end of the spectrum, individuals may have difficulty with social interactions, communication, and repetitive behaviors. They may have trouble understanding social cues or expressing themselves. On the other end, individuals with ASD may have exceptional abilities, such as an intense focus on specific topics or talents in areas like art, music, or mathematics. It's important to remember that autism is not a disease or something that needs to be cured. It is simply a different way of experiencing the world. Despite the challenges, individuals with autism can lead fulfilling and successful lives with proper support and understanding. Some common signs of autism include difficulties with social interactions, repetitive behaviors, sensory sensitivities, and restricted interests. However, it's important to note that these signs can vary widely from person to person. A diagnosis of autism can be made by a qualified healthcare professional or medical team using specific criteria outlined in the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders. So, let's break the stigma surrounding autism and embrace the spectrum. By understanding and accepting individuals with autism, we can create a more inclusive and supportive society for everyone. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you now have a better understanding of autism spectrum disorder. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more informative content.